What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you guys how to cut segments on your table saw, but without any of this fancy stuff. The only fancy thing that you're going to need is a set of wedgies. So let's get this cleared off the table and I'll show you guys just how I do it. So here are the main components of what you are going to need to start cutting your segments. A miter gauge for your table saw, a bevel square, or a set of wedgies. You don't need the wedgies, but they will make your life 100 times easier. Real quick, I do want to use this video to really show off. Sorry, you can't even see my face. I do want to use this video to show off the power of these wedgies, just how easy they make things. But I know that not everybody can or wants to buy them. So I am going to show you guys real quick how to do it with a bevel square. I'm just going to show you guys a quick angle and it'll really get you started on something. So let's go. So if you ask me, I'm going to tell you I think that 12 segments are perfect for a beginner ring. It's not too many segments to be intimidating, but it's just the right amount to make your pieces look cool. Here's a quick tip for you. If you want 12 segments in a ring, cut all your pieces to 15 degrees. Simple as that. I have my bevel level set here to 15 degrees because I don't trust my miter gauge, and neither should you. So find a level to where you can set it digitally or you trust to where you can cut it at 15 degrees. So I'm going to get this set up and let's see how well these segments come out. So with our bevel level set up, and I know I trust this more than I trust this, all we're going to do is put our bevel level flat to this and rotate it until we get it flat on the blade. And once it's flat on there, lock it down. And with that, we're ready to cut some segments. Wait, we do need one more thing. I know. I told you at the beginning of the video all of the things that you're going to need for this, but I forgot one thing. It's kind of important. It is some sort of stop block. Something that you can use to make sure that your segments come out the same length every time so that you get a perfect circle. That's all. Okay, so now that we've cut our 12 segments, let's see how we did. Okay, grab a quick rubber band here, and let's see how we did. I think that is pretty good. So now, just to make things easier, if you use a wedgie, you don't have to get your bevel level and set it up and make sure everything is correct. You literally just grab your wedgie, take it, bring it in, and make sure everything's straight, and lock it down. Alright, now that we got 16 segments, let's put them together and see how we did. Those came out looking pretty sweet. And that's it. You don't need like the fancy sled or the wedgies. All you need is to know your angles and make sure that your stuff is dialed in correctly. And we can get some pretty good results from it. That being said, if you want your segmenting to be more enjoyable, if you want to do it faster, and if you want even better results, build a sled, buy some wedgies from somebody. I promise you it is going to make your life so much easier. Anyways guys, I hope that this video helped. I really appreciate you watching it and taking the time to comment down below. If you guys have any questions or would like to see something else in regards to segmenting or turning or anything like that, let me know. I'd be happy to help you guys out. Also, follow me on Instagram. I'm much more involved on that app than I am on here. I am trying to be on here a little bit more. I will respond to you if you do leave a comment down. And with that being said, that's it for me. So be good, be safe, be happy, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.